Hey everyone, we're Little Lapay at Lifestyle Projects and Gardening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, update how to fertilize your garlic part 2. Let's get started. So I planted this garlic on the February 10th. I have an update on the a month from that, March 9, the garlic sprouted. So check it out, it's in the video. And then April 7, I did not fertilize yet. So that's like the third month. April 7, with this another update, it grew about 6 to 8 inches with no fertilizer yet. Then April 20th, with this, that's the first time that I fertilized this. So let's talk about that. So let's talk about the April 20th when I fertilized this. Like I said, the 7, it's probably about 6 to 8 inches. Check out the video. And the 20th, it grows about 12 inches. So that's when the first time I fertilize it, like I said. So right now, we're gonna fertilize it again. So every month, I have to fertilize it. And some people, they fertilize it every 2 weeks. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do it once a month before the scapes come out. Because that's when you started explain it to you what the scapes that we're talking about, that there's scapes that coming out here. Right now I don't have it yet. So what's gonna happen is, once we see that scapes sprouted, we're gonna cut that, then we'll stop fertilizing it. So for now, it's good to fertilize it now because it's a growing season. This is when they form a good bulb, a bigger bulb, because the leaves is growing. So we need the leaves to grow more and more. Since I fertilized it on April 20th, and today is the month of the 20th, today is the 18th. So we're gonna, okay, let's pick the good size here. Okay, let's start it from here. All right. So this is actually about about 17 inches. Yeah, about 17 to 18 inches. This one, 17 to 18 inches. The tallest one from here is, it grew to about 22 inches. Is that awesome? So it doubled the growing season. This is 22 inches right now. There you go, 22. Since I planted February the 10th. So February, March, April, May. This is going to be about 4 months garlic. And to garlic harvest time is about 8 to 9 months. So there's another 4 months before we harvest this. So what I'm doing it right now is just, I'm just adding my own compost that I made last year. So this is like about 1-year compost that I saved. And that's what we're gonna use again, because that's what I used it on the April 20th, just the compost. Tested out my compost first, because since I add the compost, I brought some compost here. Right here. Since I fertilized this on the 20th, they doubled the size from uh, from 12 inches to 22 inches right now. That's the highest. That's the height of this. So now we're gonna add another compost, and somewhere in June, 2 weeks from now, probably in the middle of June, we're gonna add another fertilizer and see how they. We're gonna give you an update, see how they're gonna grow again from 22, 18 to 22 inches right now. You're gonna check it out again in June. So how they gonna until harvest, how they gonna grow. Grass clippings here before we fertilize it. And we could put it back again. And sometimes you can see some little weeds here, even if this is a container. Just remove this little things here. Those, I don't know what is this, but it looks like a weed to me. So just clean around a bit. Just wrap it here, the grass. Clean the area. So this is what I'm doing, just cleaning. Compost here, I usually use this 4-inch container here. And if you do your own compost, just fill up this container. Here, I fill this thing up. Because the last time I did, I actually did one cup of this on the 20th, April 20th. So what I'm gonna do is, let's double and give them more nutrients today. We're gonna double this, 2 container of this. For the whole container, we're gonna put 2 of this. All right. Let's double it because they're growing. Actually, the size is growing. We're gonna put more fertilizer here. Sorry, but you can hear that someone is mowing, my neighbor. But you can hear it on the background, right? I mean, yeah, it is what it is. But okay, let's do the next one. The next container there. So we're gonna put 2 of this, like I said. Fill this thing up, spread it closer here. So I'm actually just spreading it in here. There. So we're gonna water this. You don't have to like irrigate them, you know, just at least give them a little bit of splash of water so it doesn't wash out the compost that we add. So we're just gonna drizzle it with a little water, just wet them a little bit. That. There you go. Mix. There you go. So that's the update how to fertilize your garlic. We're gonna do fertilize this again June 18. So that's like a month from now. All right, I hope you learned something in here, or if you have any question, jot down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, give a thumbs up to help my channel, and we will see you for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.